Hi everyone, it's Clyde here, and this week's finance video is about 3 deadly sins of investing. Number 1, the first deadly sin is constantly buying and selling. See, a lot of investors who are constantly buying and selling, the reason why they buy and sell is because they want that short-term gain, they want that instant profits. However, it's a deadly sin because when you're buying and selling all the time, you tend to be overconfident. And when you're overconfident, you tend to make the wrong decision. The other reason also is that when you buy and sell all the time, you're paying fees every time you do so. You're paying fees when you're buying and you're paying fees when you sell. So when fees are increasing, you generally are overconfident, you make the wrong decision. Overall, your returns tend to be a lot lower. So the first deadly sin is constantly buying and selling. The second deadly sin is buying when the markets are high. See, a lot of clients, a lot of investors tend to sit back, wait until the opportunity is right before entering the market. And so they just watch until the markets are rising and then they jump on board. When you're buying at a higher price, what happens a lot of the time is that you're buying when markets tend to be overvalued. And so what I suggest you to do is, instead of buying when markets are high, buy on a regular basis. So you're buying when markets rise and you're buying when markets fall. And so that allows you, that will reduce the risk, and it also allows you not to buy, not to always buy investments that are overpriced. And the third deadly sin is following the herd. You see, we're all social creatures. We love doing what our friends and family are doing as well. And it's no different when it comes to investing. See, if we hear our friends are investing, we want to copy them. We want to do what they're doing. When we see our families doing something, we want to do what they are doing. And so if our family and friends are buying an investment, we tend to just pretty much jump on board with what they are doing. Now, it's a deadly sin because rarely do we take the time to analyze that investment before jumping on board. And you see, when markets crash, when markets fall, because we haven't analyzed that investment, it potentially could lose a significant amount of money, and it may not suit our goals and objectives. So that's it from me. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Just in summary, the 3 deadly sins of investing. Number 1 is constantly buying and selling. Number 2 is buying when markets are high. And finally, the third is following the herd. If you have any questions, would love to hear your comments below. Please write them down. If you like information, or if you like to get started on your investments path, please call the office, and happy to assist where we can. And finally, remember, I'm dedicated to helping you take actionable steps today for a better financial tomorrow. See you next time. Bye-bye.